China digs deep hole to Earth's center. Why are other countries worried? China's secret project, World. The World Discover History Channel. Welcome. In the remote deserts of western China, far from the eyes of tourists and satellites, a colossal drilling platform rises against the endless horizon. Dust swirls in the air as machines hum with relentless purpose. Scientists, engineers, and soldiers stand together under the blazing sun, their faces filled with tension and awe. They are part of a mission that could rewrite the story of our planet and possibly humanity's future. This project, known only to a few as the Deep Earth Initiative, aims to drill deeper into the Earth than any nation has ever dared. The goal? To reach the planet's mantle, the mysterious layer that lies thousands of kilometers below the surface, the place where Earth's secrets sleep, untouched for billions of years. A mission beneath the surface. The Chinese government first announced the project quietly. A scientific exploration, they said, to study the structure of the planet and discover new energy resources. But those who read between the lines sensed something bigger. Why would a simple research mission involve the military? Why such tight secrecy around a hole in the ground? The drilling site is located in the Taklamakan Desert, one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Temperatures soar above 50 degrees Celsius in the summer and plummet below freezing at night. Yet massive convoys of equipment and supplies began arriving. Over 1,200 scientists from across China joined the effort. Their task? To pierce the Earth to a depth of 11,000 meters, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. To most, it sounded impossible, but China had already achieved the impossible many times before. The race to the center of the Earth. Decades ago, during the Cold War, the Soviet Union had attempted something similar. The Kola Super Deep Borehole in present-day Russia. It reached just over 12 kilometers deep before unbearable heat and pressure forced scientists to stop. That project revealed shocking discoveries. Microscopic fossils buried miles beneath the crust, sounds that no one could explain, and temperatures hotter than predicted. But the Soviets never made it to the mantle. Their dream collapsed under the weight of the Earth itself. Now, China had revived that dream with technology far beyond what existed in the 1970s. Advanced heat-resistant materials, AI-guided drilling systems, and quantum sensors capable of mapping underground structures in real time. The world watched in silence as China prepared to go where no one had gone before. The world reacts. When news of the deep drilling reached Western intelligence agencies, alarm bells rang. What are they really looking for down there? Asked one U.S. analyst. Is it energy or something else? Theories spread like wildfire. Some believed China was searching for rare minerals, the kind used in supercomputers and advanced weaponry. Others whispered that the hole might be part of a geothermal energy project, meant to give China limitless clean power. But darker theories began to emerge. What if some asked China was trying to control the planet's magnetic field? What if the drilling could trigger earthquakes or volcanic activity? And what if there was something hidden beneath the Earth that they wanted to find? As weeks passed, satellites showed massive heat signatures from the site and strange vibrations recorded by seismic sensors in neighboring countries. Something was happening deep below, and no one outside China knew what it was. Into the unknown. At the drilling site, the air grew heavier with each passing day. Engineers worked in 12-hour shifts. The deeper they went, the more unpredictable the readings became. The instruments detected metallic structures far below what any natural formation should show. Could it be an ancient meteorite? Asked one scientist. Or something made by humans,
whispered another. At 9,000 meters, the temperature had risen beyond 250 degrees Celsius. The drill bit, made from ultra-diamond alloy, began to tremble under the pressure. Then, at 10,300 meters, the sensors recorded something extraordinary, a hollow echo. The core sample came up black, glassy, and hot to the touch. Chemical tests revealed unknown isotopes, elements not found in Earth's crust. The discovery was immediately classified. Communication from the site to the outside world went silent. The fear spreads. Soon after, seismic activity increased across the region. Minor tremors shook nearby provinces. Locals reported hearing low, rumbling sounds from beneath the desert, like the growl of a sleeping beast. Animals fled the area. Compasses stopped working properly. The world's media exploded with theories. China drilling too deep, risking global disaster. Scientists warned of potential tectonic instability. Something strange is coming from beneath the Taklamakan. Governments began issuing quiet warnings to their citizens living near fault zones. Global tension rose. Behind closed doors, intelligence agencies held emergency meetings. "What if they have awakened something down there?" asked one official in Washington. "What if they can't stop it?" The message. 1 week later, a mysterious encrypted transmission was intercepted from the Chinese drilling site. It contained only a few words in Mandarin. "We have found the passage. The Earth is not as we thought." No one knows who sent the message. Within hours, all data from the project vanished from Chinese networks. The site went dark. Surveillance satellites later showed the entire drilling facility being sealed under massive layers of concrete. Dozens of trucks left the area carrying sealed containers. Officially, the Chinese government said the project was temporarily suspended due to technical issues, but the world wasn't convinced. The hidden truth. Months later, leaked documents surfaced online, claiming that deep inside the borehole, scientists had discovered a vast cavern system, so deep and hot that it emitted constant electromagnetic pulses. Inside it, they allegedly found structures, geometric, artificial-looking shapes of unknown origin. Could this be a sign of an ancient civilization buried under Earth's crust? Or was it something not of this world? No one had answers, but one thing was certain. Whatever they had found, it was powerful enough to make the most secretive nation on Earth bury the truth. Why the world is worried. Experts around the globe fear that drilling this deep could destabilize the delicate balance of tectonic plates. Some scientists warn that penetrating the mantle could release massive underground gases, or worse, trigger volcanic eruptions. Others say the danger isn't physical, but political. If China truly finds a new form of energy or technology beneath the surface, it could shift global power forever. Meanwhile, in the Taklamakan Desert, satellite images still show faint heat signatures from beneath the concrete. Something continues to move, slowly, deep under the sand. And as the world looks up to the stars for the future of exploration, China may have already found the next frontier, beneath our feet. Final words. Whether it's science, ambition, or something far more mysterious, one thing is clear. Humanity has always looked outward to conquer the universe. But perhaps the greatest mysteries lie not in the skies, but in the darkness below. As one Chinese scientist once said, before disappearing from public view, the center of the earth is not just a place, it's a secret, and we have just opened the first door. The World Discover History Channel. The end.